Elastic deformation depends upon the parameter elastic modulus, which is also known as Young's modulus. The proper definition of elastic deformation is the deformation which completely disappears as soon as the action of external force is removed. So what are the properties of elastic deformation? At which temperature elastic deformation will happen, and at which temperature viscous flow will happen? So these are discussed here. At temperature 27 degrees centigrade, the elastic deformation does not cause any noticeable change in the structure of the metal. So this is a very important thing. The application of load elastically disappear atom to a slight extent only, relative to each other, or twist blocks of the crystal. The third point is, due to the force of repulsion and attraction, the atoms return to the equilibrium position as soon as the load is removed, so that the initial form and size of the crystal are restored. So in elastic deformation, initial form and size of the crystal is restored. That we are talking about here at 27 degrees centigrade. But when the temperature is increased, at higher temperature causes viscous flow. Higher temperature causes viscous flow. So after the removal of external forces, deformation does not disappear completely, even in the case of relatively small load. So this is a case when the temperature is high enough. For example, 700 degrees centigrade, 800 degrees centigrade. So in that case, 600 degrees centigrade. So in that case, viscous flow will there. In viscous flow, the grain composing the metal are not deformed. So this is important thing. The grain composing the metal not deformed. Only certain crystallites are displaced in reference to other. So only certain crystal will displace, but a grain which makes the metal will not deform. At high temperatures and low stress, viscous flow becomes more important, but permanent changes in the dimension and shape of the metal specimen occur only after a long period of stress application. So this phenomena is called as creep. So at stress exceeding the elastic limit, plastic deformation is observed. So this is a full thing about elastic deformation. I will give note in my description also, or you can email me also regarding the elastic deformation or any of the notes which you require or any of the query which you require. Thank you.